Phi impacts how electromagnetic waves impact the environment and interact with each other. If we look at a program called Fractal Synthesis, provided by Trigun Media, and this program demonstrates what happens when you heterodyne waves that are at harmonics of Phi ratio at a selected base frequency. Heterodyning is when you have a carrier frequency that you want to broadcast on, where you take the plus and minus of the frequency you want to send information on. When these waves are combined at ratios of Phi, they stay in tune with each other and create discrete spikes along the Fibonacci sequence or the Phi ratio. As you can see here, we have the base frequency of 10, and we're looking to combine 4 higher harmonics at ratios of Phi. The resulting frequencies that are detected by a frequency analysis are ratios of Phi ratio. What's fascinating here is none of these frequencies are the input frequencies. As you can see, 10 is not in the list, but only the frequencies in harmony with the base frequency at ratios of Phi show up. And this creates discrete packets you can see here listed by ones and zeros, indicating a binary structure to the order of these frequencies. And as you can see here, with different ratios, the fractal nature of the waves, that is to say, the repeatability of the waves, isn't retained nearly as well at different ratios and different harmonics. Even slightly changing the ratio completely disrupts the frequency patterns and gets rid of these discrete packets that we just talked about. But when returning to Phi ratio, there is an ordered structure of Phi ratio between each peak and valley, where one plus the other one is equal to the next one. And these packets are a representation of what many call scalar waves, or others call longitudinal waves. And if we look at another portion of this analysis of the composite wave that is created when the waves are heterodyning, we see that the chaos that we were talking about just seems to disappear. And from what we just talked about with the Phi ratio, how you're always able to retrace where you are in a sequence by knowing the next value is increased or decreased by ratios of Phi. Could it be that the Phi ratio allows the efficient transfer of information and energy within these fields across different harmonics of Phi ratio? Well, looking at this idea further, we can look at how Phi might play a role in the fundamental interactions of the universe.